we produce our energy through polluting fossil fuels like oil, gas, and coal, what happens to our air? Go ahead.
It gets hotter.
The atmosphere gets hotter.
It gets polluted.
It gets polluted. So what does that mean when we're breathing?
It means that it's gonna be harder for us to breathe. There's gonna be like this oxygen and all this fossil fuel.
Yeah, so there's pollution in the air which makes it harder for us to breathe. And we need to breathe for the machine that our body is, right? Our body's kind of like a machine, sort of. It needs air to be able to function right. So the thing about these rocks is they're made out of brand new earth, which is called gray wacky. It's okay. There you go. And gray wacky is what happens to the ground and the rocks when the glacier recedes. Does anybody know? Oh, look it! Guess what I found? What is that?
What pieces of it?
It's coal. So in the same place that you have glaciers, you also have volcanoes, and you also...
Tesla actually produced the first town in the States to have AC electricity was Telluride. So Telluride is a very famous place from that perspective. Also, he was able to, he built two towers. He built one tower in New York, Long Island, and he built a tower up in near Pikes Peak. And from that tower, he was able to beam electricity and light bulbs 25 miles away. He did blow the fuses on a massive power station in Wyoming, and they were quite mad about that. But he was able to send this electricity through the air. Now, at the time, he was being financed by a guy called J.P. Morgan, who is a bank now. And he showed it to J.P. Morgan, and he said, look what we can do. We can light light bulbs, send electricity through the air, don't need any cables. And J.P. Morgan said, well, yeah, that's great, but how are they going to pay for it? And he said, where's the meter going to be? And Tesla said, well, I wasn't planning on charging people. We're just going to do it for free. And he didn't want that. So he cancelled everything with Tesla, and Tesla ended up passing away penniless. But he left us a lot of legacies in the meantime. But he was a very cool guy.